Hi, Mr. Ong here. I'm from Singapore Polytechnic and I'm one of the lecturers for the course in Diploma in Integrated Events and Project Management. And one of the things in our course, we need to teach the student how to do live events and hybrid events. And hybrid event meaning we need to do on-site event while broadcasting the event through a platform to the viewers who are viewing from their home or off-site. Because of that, we have engaged Ideal to collaborate with Singapore Polytechnic, and then we have upgraded our system to an NDI live streaming system. So the objective of the live streaming system, we are doing this because is to be able to not only do a live streaming from only one location. With this system, we can do as much as 6 locations to live stream off-site and to here. So before we combine all the event into one live streaming activity to our viewers. What type of event do we use? We use this to teach our students and also to do live events. We have done dinner and dance before, we have done product launch before, we have done symposium before, and all these events we will be using this to live stream all the event while doing a live event on site.